Hello dear student, today we are learning how to plot these given points on a graph paper. To plot these points on graph paper, we required one graph paper and one coordinate system. So on this graph paper, here I draw two axes, x and y axis, and scale on both axes 1 centimeter. We take here 1 unit. So after drawing this unit on these both axes, we will get this number. On x-axis towards right hand side, all numbers are positive. Towards left hand side, all numbers are negative. Similarly, on y-axis, at upward direction, all numbers are positive. At exactly its opposite direction, that is at downward direction, all units are negative. Let's draw our first point A, whose coordinates are 3 and 4. Here the value of x is written at first, and the next, that is the 4, is the value of y. So let's draw this point A on graph paper. So on this graph paper, here on x-axis 3 is here, that is positive 3, and on y-axis positive 4 lies here. So draw one dotted line from 3 and 4. These both lines, dotted lines, will intersect at this point. So this is our point A having coordinate 3 and 4. So it will look like this. So this is our point A having coordinate 3 and 4. Now next question is plot point B having coordinate x is equal to here now minus 2 and y is equal to plus 5. So on this graph paper, the value of x is equal to minus 2 here and y is equal to plus 5 here. So again draw these two dotted line. Both dotted line will intersect at this point. So this is our point B. So it will looks like this. So this is our answer. Let's move to the another one more question. Here the question is, draw the graph of the following equation. Here two equations are given. In equation number 1, here the value of x is equal to 4. The value of y is not given, means in earlier question we plot such type of points. We know in this question we know both value of both axes, value of both coordinates, but here in this question only one value is given, that is x is equal to 4. So on this graph paper, here the value of x is equal to plus 4 is here. The value of y is not given. So draw a one straight line which is passing through this x is equal to plus 4. So this is our answer, showing equation x is equal to 4. So in this answer we can see this line is parallel to its exactly opposite axis. So when the value of x is given, that is suppose here the value of the equation is given like that, x is equal to suppose minus 6. So this line will pass through x is equal to minus 6 comes here. So again here you can see these both lines are parallel to its exactly opposite axis. So in some question it is asked that the given equation or this given line is parallel to which axis. So its answer is its opposite axis, means its opposite axis is axis y. Let's solve question number 2. In this question, this equation is given in plus format. So here we have to first find out value of y. So take this 2 to another hand side. So it will become minus, and its answer is y is equal to plus 5. So on this graph paper, y is equal to plus 5 is here. So again draw one straight line which is passing through this plus 5, this line is parallel to now x-axis, which is exactly opposite to y-axis, and write down its equation, that is given question y plus 2 is equal to 5 parallel to it. So this is our answer. This line is the line of y plus 2 is equal to 7. In this question, here we have to write, or we have to convert this given question into equation. The question is, write the equation of line parallel to x-axis. Now here the line is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, write down its exactly opposite axis, that is y is equal to. Now here the distance is at a 4 unit. So write down here 4 below the x-axis. So you know that this is the x-axis and its below direction all units are negative. So therefore our equation is y is equal to -4. Let's study the next question. Write the equation of a line parallel to y-axis. So write down its exactly opposite axis, that is x is equal to, at a distance 7 centimeter. So write down here 7 centimeter from it to its right. Now our y-axis is a vertical line and its right hand side is this one. So at this right hand side all the units are positive. So our equation is x is equal to +7. So that's it in this video. See you in the next video with new equation x plus y is equal to 5.